Hey, what's going on? This is Sherman Cox. I wanted to talk briefly using the title today of Don't Be Redundant. What am I talking about? Well, for background sake, I want to begin. Um, let's say, for the sake of argument, somebody comes and they say, hey, I want you to play, I want your group, or I want you to play a song. And so the group gets together and they're like, "Hey, okay, you gonna play. We gonna let the harmonica be the solo instrument, and the pianist gets on the piano and he gonna do his thing, and the drummer is doing his thing, and these guys are accompanying you, and you get up there." All is well because you're doing that. You are holding down the melody. Now, let's say the group next time they say, hey, we got a great singer that's singing. We got a great singer that's going to sing. So instead of you playing, we want you to be with the rhythm section of the group for this singer. So the singer, amazing grace, how sweet the sound. You don't get up there. Nah, the soloist has that. You stomping on the soloist. When you do that, it makes it problematic. It almost puts a straitjacket on the soloist. I get up there and I'm singing. I did this on Smule. We were singing. I don't know what we were singing, and a guy came on with a harmonica to help to do a duet with me, and I'm amazing grace, and he's doing, and it clashes. It's a straitjacket because when a singer sings, they don't just sing the melody. It's amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. If you get up there and play the melody, you're clashing with them. It makes it problematic. Plus, it's redundant. Even if I am singing exactly what you're playing, it's redundant. No, you're going to do something different. I don't know what you're doing, but you're in the rhythm section. Maybe you're going to do chords. Maybe you're doing fifth. Maybe you're, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing something behind the singer. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved the wretch like me. I was lost, but now I'm kind of messing that up a little bit, but hey, the important point that I'm trying to get at is that you, as a harmonica player, are playing a different part. You're playing the accompaniment role. You stay off of that melody. Now, you can do some of the melody here and there, peppering it in here and there, but especially on the harmonica, you're going to have to be careful with that. And the best bet is to just steer clear of the melody and do other stuff that's going to be supportive of the melody if you are going to be an accompaniment, if you're going to be in the rhythm section. So what am I talking about today? Don't be redundant. What does that mean? That means when they play, when they sing, when they do whatever, I don't care if you got a saxophone, you got a trumpet, and it's their turn to play the melody, you don't come in and do the melody. You're doing something else. want to definitely be careful. I'm much too loud than I should be if I'm behind somebody. You know, use that train stuff, get that train stuff going. But the important point that I'm making is that hey, you're not on the melody, and I guess I need to do another video. Hey, you're not too loud, and you're not too busy, not too busy, not too loud. You're behind. Hey, what am I talking about? Hey, today I'm talking about don't be redundant. That's gonna really help you when you're playing behind folk and you want to do more, because if you want to play the harmonica, you put all this time into learning how to play the harmonica. You want to do more than just the time that you are playing solos. I mean, just playing solos, ain't nobody want to hear no solo all the time. You know, I mean, ain't nobody want to hear no harmonica solo all the time, especially those of us who are not super duper professionals. You know, we'll listen to Stevie Wonder as much as he want to play. If he want to play the saxophone for a 1 hour concert, that'd be good. But, you know, I ain't good as that. You probably not either. So you've got to learn to play behind folk and to support the music in whatever way you can. So don't be redundant. That's what we're talking about today. Till next time, this is Brother Sherman Cox. Hey, and this is my gospel heart.